Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Princess, if you didn't already know, and you are now in the Princess Lifestyle. So today I am coming back to you guys with another 12 Days of Christmas video. I don't know what number this video is, but it's within the 12 days of Christmas. So for today's video, I am going to be giving you guys a quick installation of one of my wigs. Yay. Okay, so this is how I install my wig. You guys have seen me wearing this red bob before, but you've never seen me install it. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I get a very quick install using a glue. So just like I've done in previous videos, I'm going to be using hairspray and a little itty bitty brush to get all of my baby hairs out of my face. I want to get all of my hairs. I want to get every single hair back and protected by this hairspray. Okay, so our edges are all secured. Now I'm just gonna clean my hairline, make sure there's no oil on it. So what I like to do now is just get the corners of the wig and just, make sure it's gonna lay properly when I decide to get the glue. It's looking right to me. Now we whip out our glue of choice. I have really been loving this glue. This is gonna be, I don't even know how many times I've used it at this point, maybe 4 times. And I think I'm ready to let you guys know what product this is. I'm very, very impressed right now. So the way we're gonna do this is going one side at a time, okay? And don't worry about my edges. I have edge protection on it. And this glue is so good that it literally just melts right off. Like, it does not harm your hair at all. That's why I've been loving it so much, because I don't have to do the bald cap method. It does not harm it at all, but it's still an amazing hold. Just pay attention.
So the glue that I'm using is the Chic Bond Premium Invisible Hold Lace Wig Bond. This is for excessive conditions. It's waterproof, it's temperature resistant, it's rich in vitamin E and aloe vera, and it's superb hold with 1 coat/layer. So for me, I use around 3 coats, and that is perfect for me because I have oily skin, very oily skin, and I tend to sweat a lot. Because I do sweat a lot, I make sure that I put 3 coats in order for my install to last anywhere from 3 to 5 days when I'm working out, and anywhere from up to like 2 weeks if I don't work out. So that is why I add 3 coats instead of 1.
So one side is down. It's very simple, you guys. As long as you give yourself enough time to take your time. Now we're just gonna do the other sides, and then that will be it.
I have tried this glue without 3 coats, and it worked great. The first time I did it with 1 coat, and it was an excellent hold. But I knew I'd be working out that evening, so I didn't bother to try that method again. I just went for 3 coats so that I can make sure that the hold stays locked in even throughout the workout that I plan to do that evening. And this wig glue does come with its own remover, so I was really impressed with that, and that's what melts it right off. Okay, you guys, so you've seen me install this lovely wig of mine, and the glue that I was using is the Chic Bond glue from Salon Pro. So I have used this glue, I think 5 different times now, because I wanted to really test it out before I present you all with it. And I absolutely love this glue. It's definitely one of the best lace wig glues that I have used. And that's really a tongue twister. Let me say that again. It's definitely one of the best lace wig glues that I've ever used. The fact that it dries so quickly, I believe it dries like within 30 seconds, is just amazing. And it makes the installation time so much shorter. If you're a beginner, it could take anywhere from 2 hours to like 1 hour. It can take a very long time. So the faster the glue dries, the easier your installation is. With this one from Chic Bond, I don't have issue at all. I've used it enough times and in enough ways. I am super duper impressed with this glue. So I fully recommend this Chic Bond lace wig glue. It is definitely up there with my favorite glues. This is the only glue that I've been using for the last, like, I'd say 2 to 3 weeks. This is the only glue that I've been using. It's because this one is just so convenient. It's so easy. The cleanup is super duper easy. Try the Chic Bond lace wig glue. You will not regret it. I want to do a comparison between this lace wig glue and other ones, and then I'll be able to let you know whether or not it's the best. But as far as it being my favorite right now, absolutely. Let me know what you think in the comments. Okay, my install is secure. It's not going anywhere. So if you guys have any questions for me, definitely leave those in the comments. I'm gonna get out of here. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.